everyone, welcome to Women of a Certain Age, where I help women of a certain age navigate our lives with anti-aging reviews, wig reviews, makeup, everything that we love. And this is an out-of-the-box review of Estetica's Locklan in R30 2826. And as you can see, it's the first time I'm putting it on my head. Haven't combed it out. Just got it in the mail. I got it at a Black Friday sale on Wig Studio One. And my wig reviews are, I don't show you caps. I don't review caps. What I will do is I will tell you if it's comfortable, if it's hot, if it looks realistic. And I pay for these wigs on my own. I'm not sponsored, so I'm just going to tell you the truth of things. So wow, this is gorgeous. This is shiny though, isn't it? Have not combed it through. Let's see where she wants to live is a part. So I'm gonna have to work on that part and unzigzag it. But let's just talk about this color. Is this not the most beautiful color you've ever seen? This is this wig can be parted in the center on this side or this side, left side, right side, center. Let's look at this lace front. Wow, that is realistic. Look at that. Wow. Now I have Estetica wigs, and you can see the reviews of them in my videos. This feels so different than how they usually feel. They're usually, Estetica wigs to me are the workhorse wigs. They're the ones you can wear every day. Day in, day out. They're synthetic. They're not heat resistant fibers. They're the wigs that are going to last you forever. And they're usually kind of coarse and dense. This, like the fibers feel a little rougher. This is so soft and the density is so realistic. Well, let me just show you. The tag is still on. But look at this. Is this not beautiful? Oh my gosh. So let's see what she looks like parted in the center. I usually part my hair in the middle. I mean, on the left side in my bio hair, my real hair, all my life. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to play with this. The fibers are so soft that it's kind of hard to. I think I like it on the side. So this color from Estetica is probably the most realistic, gorgeous strawberry blonde red I have ever seen in any of the wig lines. This color is, I mean, whoever created this color, it is the most beautiful color. I think this would be flattering on everybody. It's got a little bit of everything. It's got a little blonde, it's got a little brunette, it's got a little red. It's the most flattering color. It's not too dark, it's not too light, so it's very youthening. God, that's gorgeous. It feels so soft. And it's very comfortable. I have a 22-inch circumference head. It's very comfortable. Now, what I like to do in my wig reviews is in 3 months' time, after I have worn this wig to many things and put it through its tests, I will have an update review, and I have a playlist called Update Reviews, and go in there in about 3 months from now. I'll tell you how it felt through the seasons, through spring, summer. I'll tell you what people said about it. You know, I've had like my husband say to me, you know, that looks, what you're wearing, you can tell that's a wig. Or, you know, he'll say it looks wiggy. And then I've had people say, you have the most gorgeous hair, and they have no idea I'm wearing a wig. And I'll tell you, those wigs that fool people. And I'll tell you in 3 months' time if this fools people. Now, what I am going to do with this is I'm going to put some dry shampoo into it to cut down on the shine. It's a little shiny. Just a touch. I mean, I want to keep some shine, but I am going to work with this part. I'm going to, one thing I do notice about Estetica wigs is their part is very dense. Like, I like a part that it has space to it, like natural hair. That makes it look really realistic. This part is kind of tight, so I'm probably going to pluck that and make it wider. You know, to make it more realistic. And then, yeah, so this has to be played with a little bit. I will say this wig was had a really good price point. This is a synthetic wig that's, it's not heat friendly. It's going to be one of those wigs you can wear every day and let it be that, what I call the workhorse wig. I have wigs that are really expensive, like wigs from like Raquel Welch, and those wigs I won't wear every day. And they're, you know, they're heat-friendly fibers. They're more delicate. I won't wear those every day. This is one of those wigs you can wear every day. And that's what Estetica kind of makes. That's who they are. So yeah, I'm going to play with this part. I'm going to dim the shine down a little bit, pluck that part. But this is beautiful. Locklan Estetica. And let's see. I wonder what it looks like on the other side. Oop. Oh, I guess you could like do stuff with this wig, right? Could put it up. Could you? No, not really. That looked fake. We don't want fake. We want realism. I think maybe the middle part, that looks more realistic, doesn't it? That part right there. Yeah. All right. So what I'll do is try to train her to, oh, that's pretty. This may have to be worked with a little bit to get off the face. Okay, so here we go. That's pretty. So I will have to put something in here to kind of get that off my face. I can always tuck it by my ear in the meantime. And I will look for that updated video wig update on Locklan in about 3 months. So hope you like this video for my honest wig reviews. Please subscribe for more beauty tips for women over a certain age, anti-aging, and I'll leave a comment. And I love to read your comments. Let me know what you want to see on my channel, and have a great day. Remember to shine your light because the world needs it. Bye.